I bought and tested these LED flame light bulbs so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're looking to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere at home or want that perfect Halloween or Christmas vibe, you're in the right place. These bulbs not only look amazing but are energy efficient too. Let's dive into my top picks and see which ones are worth your time and money.
Product number 1. Pavo LED Flame Light Bulbs. When I first came across the Pavo LED flame light bulbs, I was intrigued. The promise of a more realistic flame effect drew me in. I installed these bulbs in my outdoor lanterns, and let me tell you, the transformation was incredible. The flickering light mimics a real flame so well that my neighbors thought I had a fire going in my yard. The installation was straightforward. I simply screwed them into the E26 base and they were good to go. I love that it has 4 different modes: flickering flame, breathing mode, general light mode, and an upside down mode that automatically switches the flame direction. This versatility makes it perfect for various occasions, whether it's a spooky Halloween night or a romantic dinner during Christmas. On the positive side, the Pavo bulbs are incredibly energy efficient, using only 3 watts while delivering 600 lumens of warm light. This means you won't be racking up your electricity bill while enjoying the lovely ambiance. They also claim an extended lifespan, up to 40% longer than similar products on the market, thanks to their heat dissipation design that keeps the bulbs cool. However, I did notice that they may not work well with dimmer switches, so keep that in mind if you have those installed. Overall, I believe you should buy the Pavo bulbs if you want a reliable, energy-efficient option that truly brings the warmth of a flame into your home. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings, and the range of modes make them versatile for any occasion. Product number 2. Y-Stop LED Flame Light Bulb. Next up is the Y-Stop Upgraded LED Flame Light Bulb. I was particularly excited to try this one because of its gravity sensor feature. When I installed it in my living room, the flame flickered realistically from bottom to top, just like a real fire. I mean, it's mesmerizing to watch. The installation was a breeze, just like the previous bulb, and I was able to switch between the 4 modes seamlessly. The flame simulation mode really stood out to me, bringing a warm and inviting atmosphere to my space. One of the significant advantages of this bulb is its energy efficiency. It's marketed as being 90% more energy efficient than traditional bulbs, and I can definitely see that paying off in the long run. However, I did notice that the brightness could be a bit lacking compared to some other bulbs I've tried. While it's great for creating ambiance, if you need bright lighting, you might need to pair it with additional lights. So why should you buy the Y-Stop bulb? If you're looking for a beautiful, realistic flame effect that can enhance your holiday decorations or set the mood for a cozy evening, this bulb is an excellent choice. Plus, it's safe and durable, making it a practical option for any home. Product number 3. The ByTrue LED Flame Effect Light Bulb. The ByTrue LED Flame Effect Light Bulb caught my attention due to its promise of a more realistic flame and the added bonus of a gravity sensor. After testing it out, I can confidently say it delivers on that promise. I placed these bulbs in my outdoor decorative lanterns, and they transformed the entire area. The flickering effect is stunning, especially at night. I was impressed with the brightness, which is 30% brighter than previous versions, and the energy consumption is lower too. Definitely a win-win. One of the unique features is the gravity-induced mode, which keeps the flame flickering upwards, regardless of how you position the bulb. This was particularly fun to play around with and made for a great party trick. However, I did find that the installation was slightly finicky at times. It took a little adjusting to get it properly seated in the socket. If you want a bulb that offers both beauty and functionality, the ByTrue bulb is worth considering. It's perfect for parties and creating a cozy atmosphere, and the energy savings make it a smart investment for your home. Product number 4. CPP SLEE LED Flame Light Bulb. Another contender is the CPP SLEE Upgraded LED Flame Light Bulb.
I decided to test this one in my front porch light, and the results were fantastic. The flame effect was incredibly realistic, and I found myself staring at it, captivated by its allure. The 4 modes, flickering flame, general light, breathing mode, and gravity-induced mode allowed for a great deal of customization in how I used the bulb. Switching modes was simple, just a quick flick of the switch, and I was off to a new lighting experience. The energy efficiency aspect is a massive plus, only 3 watts. It's perfect if you're looking for a green option that doesn't sacrifice style or ambiance. The cooling holes at the base also seemed to work effectively, providing a longer lifespan. However, I did notice that the light could be a bit dim for larger areas, so it may be better suited for smaller spaces or accent lighting. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish way to light up your home while maintaining an eco-friendly approach, the CPP SLEE bulb is an excellent option. It's ideal for those who love to decorate for holidays or just want a cozy ambiance. Product number 5, JAH-XX Flickering Light Bulb. Lastly, I wanted to check out the JAH-XX Flickering Light Bulb. At first glance, I was drawn in by its vibrant orange color and the promise of a realistic flame. I installed it in my living room and it did not disappoint. The flickering effect was fantastic and it really set the mood for movie nights. The 4 modes allowed me to switch things up based on my mood or occasion. It's also worth mentioning that this bulb uses only 5 watts, which is impressive for the amount of light it gives off. What I found particularly useful is the durable design. It's made without harmful substances, which makes it a safe choice for homes with kids or pets. However, like the others, it may not provide enough brightness for larger spaces, so keep that in mind when placing it. Overall, if you want a decorative light that can bring warmth and joy to your space, the JAH-XX bulb is a solid choice. Plus, it's affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget. In conclusion, each of these LED flame light bulbs offers something unique, whether it's energy efficiency, realistic effects, or versatile modes. My top picks cater to different needs and preferences, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your home. So whether you're decorating for a holiday or just want to create a cozy atmosphere, you can't go wrong with any of these options.